The loss of Ali Igbo is the gain of other regions. The loss of Ali Igbo as it stands today is the gain of other regions, and they are capitalizing on it. I can remember vividly that way back 2016, 2017, 2018, stroke 2019, yeah, just in the early stages of 2019, I lived in Olu. I was actually living in Olu City then. Well, why I'm making this video is to bring your attention to something that we have been ignoring. We've not talked about it so much, and we should be talking about such things. I look at some pages on Facebook where people are focused on what is wrong with Ali Igbo. Nobody is really tapping into what is right in Ali Igbo. And as a pioneer of Igbo unity and also a pioneer of Akurulu, I must be able to show the better part of Ali Igbo, the golden side of Ali Igbo, the treasure part of Ali Igbo. I must project Igbo. I must be that Igbo man, the modern Igbo man. So let me go back to what I wanted to say about Olu when I was during my time, my short spell in the city. A very beautiful place. Exactly what I experienced then when I was living in Olu City, somewhere around Ihioma. Amifeke Ihioma. I was living there, managing a little business then. There was a booming economy in Olu. Olu was booming economically. In terms of infrastructure, they were on the rise. People from the Owerri municipality was moving into Olu in droves. A lot of our diasporan brothers was bringing home money, and they were investing in the infrastructures of Olu City. Olu was a fast developing town. Very cool, very serene, very beautiful place. Every person was coming. Now let me tell you something. The beautiful part of it is that virtually all, let me say, 60, 65, 70% of the youths were all had something to do. They were working in the infrastructural developments was happening. A lot of youths was gainfully employed. They were doing work. Everybody was engaged. In the morning, afternoon, you won't see any youth loitering around. In the evening, you see them patronizing hospitality places, and everything was booming. Every facet, every sector of Olu was booming. This is truth. Nothing can take away this fact. Believe me, I was in that city. I watched it. Now, why I'm making this video is simple. To tell you that everything is possible. Ali Igbo booming again is possible. Replicating what happened in Olu in terms of the infrastructural developments is possible to happen in every corners of Ali Igbo. Because if there are developments, be it in the infrastructural industry or the infrastructural developments and every other thing, it will help take away our youths off the streets. It will help a lot, a great deal. Why are we not thinking about this side? Why are we focused on the wrong things? Why are we not looking inside what is right with our Igbo? This is my question. So I think we should begin. It's not about talking about it. It is about starting it up. Yes. I know of one real estate company that I want to introduce to you all. We can rally around this real estate company. What real estate is this? Pine Leaf Real Estate and Properties. Umu Igbo in diaspora. Umu Igbo at home. Umu Igbo in Lagos, that is the west, the entire west. Umu Igbo in the north, the entire north. Should come home. Let's kick off that infrastructural developments of our Igbo. There are a lot of people, there is a war, being waged against us by our enemies outside. These are external players trying to demarcate our Igbo, trying to make you feel that our Igbo is unsafe, that our Igbo is not viable, that our Igbo, our soils are not arable. These are foreign and external actors trying to confuse. It is an art of war. The loss of our Igbo is the gain of other regions. The loss of our Igbo as it stands today is the gain of other regions, and they are capitalizing on it. They have used even our own people to wage these wars against us in our industries, in our music industries, our movie industry is almost gone because we are not even tactful enough to tackle what is happening there, to tell our own stories. Our own people are actually trying to demarcate us. So what I'm trying to say is this: it is time for us who knows, who understands what is happening, to be firm and defend our Igbo, defend the honors of our Igbo. Bring back our people. Let them know that this place is safe. This place can contain us. This place can be developed. The loss of our Igbo, remember, is the gain of our enemies, our neighbors, and they are working against it. Is because, okay, take for instance the One port, the Calabar seaport, and Abonima should have a seaport, Abonima, but we don't have all these things working. Calabar is not working, Warri is not working, Port Harcourt is not working, One and every other places it's not working. Where are we going to? We are going to Lagos. We are all going to Lagos. Do you see? When they close down this side, Lagos will walk. So when I say that the loss of our Igbo is the gain of our enemies, I know what I'm saying. So stand up from your seats, from your slumber, wake up. Let us begin to market our town, our place, so that it can be what it should be, great and standard. So I am still suggesting by this video, let's rally around Pine Leaf Estate. Umu Igbo, are you anywhere, in fact, and you want to invest in landed properties, you want to buy a home, you can call this number. I can help you facilitate the deal with Pine Leaf Estate as a worthy ambassador. Thank you and God bless you. Kudo chia na Igbo. Ise. Thank you.